Hi everyone, thanks for joining. My name is Ken McLaughlin. I wanted to give you a brief overview on Cisco Hyperflex technology. So Hyperflex, Hyperconverged Infrastructure, or HCI. So it's hardware and software that was engineered together to provide cloud-like on-prem experience with controlling costs and providing savings. So in the traditional model, you would have to buy your individual server, your storage, your network, everything separate, and put it all together and hope it worked. And as you changed or made upgrades, you had to worry about interconnections and functionality and compatibility between the different systems. So with HCI, it's one system, built to work together from the ground up. So a great analogy is if you go to buy a car, you buy a car as one piece. You're not buying the motor from somewhere, the transmission somewhere else, the wheels, the chassis, trying to put it all together yourself, right? The easiest thing to do is go and buy one system, get everything together. So, and if you think about HCI, instead of having that separate storage and server and network and management and everything, it's all integrated into one system. So, in kind of breaking it down, you kind of think about it, right, is the compute layer, right? That can be the engine and the transmission, right? So that's built on Cisco award-winning Cisco UCS platform. It's been around a long time, #1 server selling system. So just phenomenal success there. From a storage perspective, kind of from the analysis, using the same analogy, right? That's your car, or the body of it, and the seats. And what HCI gives you is multiple seats or multiple storage, and it stripes the data across different nodes in it that provides redundancy and survivability. From a networking perspective, right, it's got the fabric interconnects, it's kind of an analogy, I guess, or with, your tires and your steering wheel and your GPS, right? How do you navigate places? How do you get around? To manage it all, there's Cisco Intersight Manager. So it's a cloud-based management platform that can sit on top of it, allows you to manage multiple sites, multiple systems across the globe, gives you a consistent policy and look and feel across the environment. And the nice thing about that is something that's maintained by Cisco in the cloud. So there's automatic updates, there's no customer involvement or anything else needed to maintain that system. And on top of that, Logicalis provides managed services that will give another layer of management on top of it, and an overview and additional eyes looking at the environment to help manage it so customers don't have to. So giving you, peace of mind of what's going on. So kind of going back to the car analogy, something like OnStar, right? For those that are familiar with that, if there's an issue with your car lets OnStar know. OnStar will send you a text or an email to alert you that there's a problem. So a lot of those things taken care of up front. So Cisco HCI, great platform. A lot of configuration options, anything from 2 nodes up to 64 nodes, hybrid, all flash, just a tremendous amount of flexibility in deployment. It can be done as an edge node for smaller sites, again, all the way up to big nodes. You can do compute-only nodes, storage-only nodes. It's policy-based management and service profiles, just tremendous amount of capacity. Throughput when you're looking at what compared to competitors, 3x performance pretty much across the board. There's security, data security, for all the traffic at rest and while it's moving. There's compliancy, so it's HIPAA compliant and so forth, and just a lot of really good advantages with the Cisco HCI environment. So Cisco Hyperflex, Hyperspace, thought it was kind of fitting. If you need more information on it, contact me. Love to do a deeper dive on it. Thanks.